we're about to go live again. Hey guys, welcome back from Views from the Stick, and today we are at Walmart getting slime. But for breakfast, we are having ice cream. So let's get going. We have a bar of big jug of glue, and then we have a kit right here, and then we have sticks. So now Janai is gonna lead us to the container. Okay. Let's go, guys. Oh, sorry. She found the calculators. I don't see. Oh. Two bigs.
What are we looking for? For what?
Containers. Jay, none on this side.
I'm supposed to be showing you if I were to containers.
There's none on this side. Don't hurry up.
What are you guys looking for? How many do you need? 7.
Wait, you can get 4? No, Jay, look, Jay. There's 4 right here, and then get another pack of 4. Wait, look. 4, 5, 6. Add another 4 plus 4 plus.
Is it going to be big or small?
A 3.
Hey guys, wouldn't it make more sense if you got the 10 pack so that everyone would have one?
Where?
Right there beside you.
Oh.
Okay, where are we going now? No, we got activate. Yes, activate. Can I do it?
We going on the trip.
What we need is shaving cream.
Shaving cream? What y'all need shaving cream for?
So we can make
Fluffy slime. Do you guys know how to make fluffy slime? Put it down in the comments. And if you have a YouTube channel, put it down in the comments so we can follow you guys as well.
They like, what are all these kids doing here? Good morning.
Yeah.
Doing good.
Right.
Dang, that's the where you got Mama.
Yep.
Yeah, the two one you got her for Valentine's.
Yep.
Yep.
About 2 years ago.
I thought it was
Shaving cream.
shaving cream. It's like the shaving cream.
Uh-oh. Sorry, baby.
It's okay, Dad.
your own shaving cream. You have a different thing.
Where is the right way?
There's no
Where is the right one? It's just that people use.
It's right here, baby. All shaving cream.
It's right here. We could just use this. That's gel.
Guys, get on one side in case somebody else is coming.
What kind are you looking for?
This like shaving cream. You got shaving cream in your hand. That's shaving cream in your hand.
Okay, we're using the one Jay has in her hand. We need to get some
should be. No, there it is. Here it is. Oh, that's it. No, it's foam.
Yeah, it's foam.
Good. No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, but save it to me.
It's just my
Okay, person.
But it's still.
We're gonna get a small one.
We're getting the ice cream bought from here, or we're
No.
going somewhere to go get it.
Yeah, we're gonna go somewhere and get it.
My daddy got it. I'm just kidding. Sorry. Okay, let's go. Oh, Daddy, what should I put on here for tiny decision? So I decorate one for what kind of ice cream or whatever the little thing gives us, and that's what ice cream to get. So I need everybody's favorite ice cream.
All right, right now let's focus on this, okay?
I don't know.
Chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry.
Hey, kiddos, make sure we stay together.
Yeah, Dad.
Are we done? Did we get everything?
No, sir. I think we need
No,
something
we don't
else.
need no more activator because
Do you guys
we
want to use
only
coloring? I want to use a foam.
We don't need
slime.
foam.
I wanna
because
use
we're
foam.
already gonna have coloring because of the glue. The glue has coloring already in there.
I
So
know, but it's white.
no, there's colorful glue in this kit.
No, but for the
There's
fluffy
7.
slime.
I'm trying to tell you, there's 7 in here, so you put it in there.
And plus, if there's just a little bit, if you're, because I don't want to get both glue, you can just add some more glue to it.
other side.
Oh, okay. Well, then let's go get some foam. Foam? Yeah, foam. Is foam in there?
Look, you already got it. She made a little circle.
They got keep in a pillow or something like that? No. Let's go get it.
Cotton?
No.
That is what you keep in the pillow.
No. Foam. I said
Money?
foam.
Little small circle bag.
What?
I don't know what y'all
This is
talking about.
money, cotton. I said foam.
Baby doll, what kind of foam are you talking about?
The crunchy ones. Like, you know, that neck pillow mommy has? The neck pillow mommy has? I think there's foam in that. But
Oh no, that's
it's gonna get everywhere. Yeah, we're not gonna get
all right. So do you guys have everything?
Yes, sir.
Kiddos, is that everything?
So check.
I don't have everything yet. I
What?
need a hand.
What is
Okay, now I have everything.
What's tackle me?
What do we have on the drink right there? Have you gotten anybody on the...
So we going shopping for slime and pajamas, and then we're gonna have ice cream for breakfast. PJs and slime. Okay, that's enough.
Yeah, because we cannot share that, because it ain't like we're going to use the whole bottle.
All right, go ahead, baby. Go ahead. Thank you. Time to check out.
Hey guys, go to the checkout area. Checkout area, guys. Checkout area.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Daddy, I have to tell you something so funny.
What's up, baby?
We were, sorry.
You need to get Auntie Terry this right here.
Oh, that's nice, and it got Georgia Bulldogs on it.
Exactly.
Georgia.
Wait, you want to use our own checkout? No. Scan and go? Okay, it's up to you guys. Should we do the scan and go, or should we go in the lines?
Scan and go, because it's going to take forever. Scan and go it is. Wait, are there any open?
So we
Hold on, we
don't
need-
wait to consult. We don't wait to do
So let's just get out the way.
We're doing a what?
No.
Ghost show.
A goat. We should say a goat show. Why did they make so many big batteries?
Where? Let me see the
I lost my tooth, Daddy. I think these right here, little robots. Why are they so big? Why are they so big? I don't know what they're used for. You know? Big batteries. Like in trucks or something. When it needs it. I don't know. If you had to use a big battery, you had to go to that place.
Where are we going?
All right, is everyone done?
Yes, sir. But no, we're doing the results. Everybody,
Cotton candy, sweet and gold. Let me see that Tootsie Roll. Tootsie Roll. That Tootsie Roll. That Tootsie Roll. That Tootsie Roll. Y'all silly. All right, I think we're done.
Okay. Yep, I'm gonna put them in the
What is the M&M challenge? The spaghetti challenge?
What's that?
So you have to get M&Ms or whatever kind of candy, one thing of candy, some syrup, whatever you can do.
chocolate.
Spaghetti.
No,
and
she
then you
wants
have
to-
you can eat it. You can eat it.
She wants to do that because
She saw it
M&Ms.
on,
And then you get to win the rest of the M&Ms.
and these kids did a food fight. None of them finished it because this kid kept on throwing it at them.
And one of them was just sitting over there eating.
He didn't even get dirty. How did he not get dirty when everybody else got dirty?
I don't
It has the syrup in
And
it.
then one person jumped in the pool.
Marshmallows.
And then they all went around the house and they jumped in the lake.
He just sit there. He just like, we fall. And they just fell.
Okay, so who likes chocolate?
Choppies?
What in the world are you doing?
Trying to sneak stuff in the buggy.
Let's do that. Let's sneak things in the buggy.
No, you go to jail for that, girl.
Them chicken the room.
Find things, stick them in the buggy.
What, Dad? So if there's a room to Walmart, we have to go and steal something. Yeah, there's like a room where you sit at.
No, you go to jail.
We need these results, guys. We really need them.
What results are you looking for? What results are you
Or the
needing?
answers, really.
What answer are you needing?
Should we do the scan and go, or should we go
people
in
have
the
scan
checkout
and
lines?
We have 3 people.
Uncle Frederick!
Uncle Frederick. Wait, what? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Is it on me right now?
Y'all silly. All right, it's time to roll.
Okay, we're doing this. Ready? Go.
Whoa.
Okay, guys. We have a win.
So who's paying? Who's paying?
You are.
Everybody
raise your hand.
According to my
Everybody
credit
raise your
card,
hand
looks
if you
like I
want
don't have
Dad to
any
pay.
money.
Everybody raise your hand if you want my dad to pay. Raise your hand, Dad. That was almost everybody.
All right. We gotta go get something else. Come on.
We gotta go do something else.
Yes, come on.
Surprise?
It's a surprise.
No, it's not a surprise. We gotta feed y'all too. Even though we having ice cream for breakfast, you still gotta eat.
Yay! Guys, I got it in.
I'm getting hungry right now.
It smells good. Somebody's cooking.
Yeah, let's go get Subway today. So, you guys
Hey, y'all,
should get
y'all
this
act like
app.
y'all got some home training.
You guys, you should go to this app right here. It's called Tiny Decision, and if you no, it's
Yes.
called Tiny Decision. If you just click on it, and then you have whatever you want on here, so you can make your own kind of decisions, like
So you have an app that make decisions for you.
Yes, sir.
Listen, the hardest decision that was ever made in the history of mankind was figuring out what a woman wants to eat.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. And to this day, it's still unknown. No. It's still unknown to this day.
So guys, so
Nah,
we were,
you think that's easy? Asking her what she want to eat?
guys,
definitely
we're
not.
going to spin the wheel until
If you can get a woman to tell you exactly what she wants to eat, man,
So guys,
good gracious. You tell me your secret, all right, son? You look like the Hunchback of Notre Dame, though, for real.
so guys,
Boy, I on lean.
yesterday I made.
Boy, I look like. What,
So
baby?
guys, yesterday I made this for if we were going to prank Tyler, Jack, or Parker. So I'm going to spin the wheel and see who we're going to prank today. You, Tyler, or Jack. And it goes to Tyler Thomas.
How you gonna?
Partner.
All right, hold on.
It looks like we're pranking Tyler today. Because we were going to prank Jack, Tyler, or Parker. It landed on Parker. I meant Tyler.
What do I need?
Tyler pranked
We need to go get time.
Y'all can't say that. That's cheating. Dude, when you're doing a prank on someone, you don't say I'm going to do a prank on this. You never said tell me to say it because it was on Tyler first. No, I'm not doing it.
Maybe Tyler's thing is gone.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
you want to make it.
You still look like the
The humpback person.
yeah. All right,
Now where are we going?
let's roll, kiddos.
Wait, we didn't get no food.
I'm getting Nope.
If you don't put them down, girl, you crazy.
Back.
Wait, what if we did that? Everything, all of a sudden let's get one thing. That is try everything else. Do everything else. Everybody
Y'all have some not so.
common sense. I don't
Y'all.
have any money. It's okay, Parker. Daddy's getting it for us. Let's go.
Got a big bug jug of apple juice. She got that one.
I don't know who parenting her.
Look, it's apple juice. Let's get it. Let's get it.
I've been waiting for this.
How much is it for apple juice?
Should I get
Y'all are
apple
silly.
juice? No. Don't tuck my chips out. Those are what I'm paying, Tyler. Did she really just go get that?
Hey, Jack. Hit up your mama.
Goodness.
What you got?
A sippy cup. She got a sippy cup.
After this, we're gonna do home training 101.
Take that first.
Look at little hunchback back there. Tell him what's up. Eileen. Say Eileen. Little hunchback. Eileen.
What does that mean?
Because it's I.
And it's leaning.
Alright.
Okay.
Jack, call
I
your
know
mother.
what- I know what we need.
I'll call.
We need to
What, Janaya? You have a number?
we need to give Daddy a hug. That's what it's called.
Y'all ready to get away from me? Get away from me! Hurry up and call your auntie so we can get out of the store. So we're gonna get some ice cream. Y'all want ice cream from out of here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we can
No,
pick
sir.
it.
No, sir.
Because
Did you say cook it?
you can get ice cream out of here, or we can go get an ice cream cone.
I want an ice cream
I want
cone.
ice cream out of here.
Alright, here's your vote. Ice cream cone, raise your hand. Up. Ice cream cone it is.
Did you raise your
See that ice cream up. Come on, come on. That ice cream. I'm just kidding. So,
Hello?
Daddy, because I was on YouTube and
Hello?
I had saw the thing.
I know. Why you be cheating?
I need a private talk with my daddy.
Nah, Uncle, I got an SUV though.
Video? Best day ever.
Hey, good morning. Hey, what you need me to get?
That video, Dad? That video?
Yeah.
Yay!
What's up, Eileen? Little hunchback right up. What's up?
actually eating all those chips?
I don't know what that is. That's like 4 bags of chips. I'm paying for them because I'm paying for myself a lot. I don't want them.
Y'all not, we didn't agree on chips. We said ice cream.
Hold on. No, I'm not that for me.
Janaya said she got money.
She probably
Tell 'em,
only
child.
got 1/4.
She probably got a dime, but she broke.
Tell 'em, child.
She probably got a penny, but she broke. No, still. She broke. Ain't nobody care.
Janaya said she got money.
But she only has a penny. No, I don't. She broke.
Janaya, you never tell people how much money you got.
I won't. She broke.
Keep them guessing. All right,
Okay, let's go. I already know.
let's see if we're gonna get some Tylenol for your auntie and big head.
Oh, Dad, I saw your water armors.
All right, let's stay together, guys.
So right now it's 11 o'clock
Hold on.
a.m. Yeah, I'm just not sure she got it. She ain't got no money. She got it.
Janaya got money. You don't got no money. I don't even know what I'm doing.
I got some money, but I don't know how to. Neither.
Body on her? Yeah. All right,
What's she doing?
we need to go on the other side, guys. Hold up, kiddos. Janaya, come on. Let's roll. All right, now you guys have to follow me. We're gonna get this stuff and time to roll.
Where are we going?
To your mama's house. You go find your mama.
Wait, but where are we gonna make it at? It's nice. Because we can't make it at the shop. We can make a big table. We're gonna do it outside. It's pretty outside.
Hey, Jordan.
Hey, Jordan. Jordan. We need to get this for Nyla.
You need to get it for you too.
I'm not a baby.
That's what you be acting like.
Hey.
We're almost done in Walmart.
Oh no.
Listen,
not almost.
I hate going to Walmart.
Not almost.
I hate coming to Walmart
Why?
because.
Because what?
All right, let's wait on everybody else.
Look at this, Daddy. It's only $2.28. No. Yes, $2.80. I could pay for that. Hey, now this is the section we're supposed to be in the whole time.
What's that?
This is the toy section. Well, because this already
Daddy, can I
started.
get on my JoJo Siwa Life doll?
You can get a job.
Sir?
Look.
$40.
$178.
$3.45.
This.
Why does it smell like a fish back here?
It's tires.
Yes, sir.
You want that?
Look at this.
You want some fire?
It smells so rugged.